Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your online ID on the new PlayStation application with the update for the PlayStation 5. So if you have the new update for your PlayStation application, you can go ahead and I'll show you guys how to get to your online ID and change it. So now if we just open up the PlayStation application, you'll just be greeted with the main screen. You'll probably be on the play screen. If you're not, you just want to make sure you're all the way on the left tab on the little game controller icon. And then once you're on there, you want to click on your profile picture on the top left. Then we'll bring you over to this page here. You'll then click on Edit Profile, and then we'll just give it a second to load. Once it loads, you will then see you have access to change a lot of settings here, such as your online ID, your name, profile picture, avatar, and more. So what you want to do here is just click over where it says Edit beside Online ID. And then here, just let you know, before changing your online ID, all PS5 titles are expected to support the online ID change feature, which is great for people with the new PS5. And then it just goes on to tell you any progress in games, stuff like that you might lose. So you can go ahead and read this yourselves if you're interested in this. Otherwise, I'm just going to click on I accept. And then you just want to click on continue. Here's where you'll get to change your online ID. So you can go ahead and choose whatever name you want. And then you can go ahead and check availability and move on along with the process. I'm currently not going to change my name as I've already got the free name change, but you can just follow through with this process from here on out and choose a name that you would like. And then you'll be able to save it, and it'll be saved on your PlayStation 5s as well as your PS4s and the application from there on out. Otherwise, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to change your online ID on the PlayStation application. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.